it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these Christmas candy cane nails. So we're going to start off by using Madam Glam's Perfect White. We're going to paint this on my middle finger and my ring finger. This next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Chillin' and Chilly. This one is from their new winter collection. I will leave a link down below to swatches for their winter collection. But this one is a pretty metallic red, and this is just going to be a background for glitter, so use whatever color you want. So here I went ahead and I did a second coat of Perfect White. And the red glitter that I'm going to be using is Light Elegance's Mariachi in Mexico. This one again from their winter collection. This one is a super shiny, bright red metallic kind of a glitter. It's got a lot of those foil chunkies, so it is a little harder to apply to make it all smooth, but go ahead and put this on top of your red base. So moving on to the candy cane design, I am going to be using my Robin Moses unicorn brush. I will leave a link down below to her brushes. So I'm just taking that base red color that I had used, Chillin' and Chilly, and I'm creating two thicker red stripes on it, and then you kind of make it want to look like it's a continuous on the nail, and so I do a little bit like on the tip and then on the cuticle area. I had applied this color quite thick, so you can see me going back and kind of taking off some of the extra color. And I do recommend curing in between each finger, just so that way you don't accidentally touch it to your other finger, just like I did here. So cure in between to avoid this. So here I am just fixing up my little mistake I did. So I did flash cure the red lines before we move on to the green lines. And so for the green stripes, I am going to be using Light Elegance's Taiwan On in Taiwan. This one is that same metallic, just in that dark green. And so I'm just going in and I'm creating thinner stripes of the green in between the red. So moving on to the red glitter nails, we're going to do some snowflake stamping. And I did remove the sticky layer before I do my stamping. And the stamping plate I'm going to be using is Clear Jelly Stampers Diamonds in Ice. This one has tons of different snowflake designs. They also have tons of other snowflake plates that I would love to have. But this is the one I'm going to use today. And then for stamping polish, I am going to be using my Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in white. So I am just going back and forth, picking up different snowflakes, some larger, some smaller, and then applying them to the nails. So here's what that looks like after the stamping. And next we're going to go in and apply some Swarovski crystals. I'm going to be using this nail glue I got from Sally's. And then the crystals I'm going to be using is AB Light Cyan. And we're just going to place the crystals in the center of the snowflakes. Use the tiny crystals for the smaller snowflakes, and then you can use a bigger crystal for the larger snowflakes. And I'm just using my crystal katana to apply the crystals. I got the idea of applying the crystals in the middle of the snowflakes from Talia's Nail Tails. It just gives it the perfect little pop. So now we're going to go in and top coat, and I am going to be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny for the top coat, and then I am going around the Swarovski crystals and not on top of them. And so here are how the nails came out. I love this design. I've noticed a lot of people are doing more wintry designs versus like red and green Christmas designs, but I definitely wanted to do some Christmas designs. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!